Greetings from Nnukw. Today is the 25th of November 2024, known as Nkwo, a special market day in Igbo land. It is a day to celebrate human greatness. May you be blessed with numerous ideas for your good deeds. You are highly blessed and empowered to achieve greatness on earth through your creativity. This is made possible by the watchful presence of wind, water and sound, which our Creator, Nnukw Okike Abiyama, uses to sustain all humans and monitor their actions, ensuring that they are held accountable after death. Seeking the presence of the Creator of the universe who owns the wind, water, sand and sunlight demonstrates kindness to humanity. He grants us the privilege of witnessing His creation. Regardless of your position, power or authority, strive to extend kindness to all people. This effort will lead to a better life before death. From Nnukw, the blessings of the universe. From Onye Ndu, Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife.